Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good today. We are back to give you a review on another product that is Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum. So, if you are curious to know about this serum, watch the video till the end because it will be unbiased review from us. It is a serum that is for skin plumping, wrinkle filling, powerful vegan collagen boosting serum is just for your face. It is a plant based formula that hydrates and smooths your fine lines for a younger look. It is a vegan and gluten free. It is made for all skin type. Let's check out the specification of this product. Its price is about $48 and it is used for all skin type. The positive point of this product are the price of the product is reasonable and hence can be bought by anyone, as the manufacturer have strictly mentioned that no animal had been harmed while making the product. The ingredients are free from paraben and gluten. The product has UV protection, which is very important for your skin. The customer reviews on the products are quite good. Videos are also given for a better understanding of the product. According to the reviews, the products also reduce acne and actions are quite visible. The negative point of the product are very few people for very few people the serum can cause skin allergies if not suitable for their skin. The customer reviews are comparatively less in number in the original portal. The expiry date of the product is not shown, hence it is not understood properly. The ointment is tricky as per one of the user reviews on one platform. So the question is Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum is genuine? So as we are discussing the details, it is from brand that is Sonage and it is more than 20 years old brand. It is quite old, like it was created on 17 January 1998 and its trust score is 76%, which is quite good out of 100, and they have the presence on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn, and customer reviews are given and quite popular. So in our final verdict we can say that the serum is for the betterment of the customer and product can be brought without much issues. So we hope it will help to keep your skin healthy, and if any one of you have experience of using this serum, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.